Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2025 Ford Mustang, stock number 7306. Going from the 5th 2023 to the current shape. Here's an R5 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 10-speed automatic transmission. This is the R5 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left front 19-inch factory automatic tyre, left hand door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear 19-inch factory automatic tyre, left hand tail light, rear boot lid no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 19-inch factory automatic tyre, right front door no dents, left door handle, right hand door mirror, right front 19-inch factory automatic tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen satnav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,